Hey everyone, what's up Tech Fam? Welcome back to Learn New Things. If you're new here, I'm your host and this is your daily shot of everything awesome happening in the world of technology. Today's episode is going to be absolutely packed because this is Tech Pulse episode 12. We've got everything from a massive AI alliance between Reliance and Google, Bill Gates dropping bold warnings about AI jobs, to Apple shaking up web development rules, Python making a comeback, and even some cool scholarships closing today that you don't want to miss. So yeah, grab your headphones, sit back, and let's dive straight into today's tech ride because this one's full of power updates from AI, startups, tools, and the web world. Alright, let's start big. Reliance and Google have just announced a major AI alliance, and trust me, this could redefine India's entire AI ecosystem. They're joining forces to scale AI research, industrial applications, and even talent development across India. That means they'll be building AI cloud infrastructure, open source tools for startups, and training programs for students and developers. Now, here's why this is a big deal. India has always had talent. We've got incredible coders, engineers, and innovators. But with Google's AI experience and Reliance's infrastructure muscle, we're talking about a real boost in AI innovation across industries, from healthcare to logistics. Of course, there are challenges. Partnerships like this take time to show results, and we'll need clear policies to ensure data safety and fair access. But imagine, this could lead to India-made AI platforms competing globally. That's huge. Example, students might soon get free AI tools or cloud credits to build their own startups straight from this alliance. Next story is equally massive, and it comes straight from Bill Gates himself. So in a recent CNBC interview, Bill Gates said something that grabbed global attention. AI will profoundly reshape the world's economy and jobs. He called AI the most transformative tech since the internet. And honestly, he's not wrong. Gates highlighted how automation will slowly take over repetitive jobs, pushing people toward creative and analytical roles. The good news? New opportunities will emerge. But the tough part? Millions of workers worldwide will need to reskill fast. For developers, students, and creators like us, this means don't just use AI. Learn it. Learn how to code with it, prompt it, and build solutions on top of it. Example, think of it like this. A student who learns AI today could be designing the tools that replace old jobs tomorrow. Alright, let's shift gears from AI to some strong numbers, because Amazon just dropped some jaw-dropping stats.
Amazon just reported a 38% profit growth thanks to their cloud division, AWS, and a brand new data center launch. AWS remains the backbone for startups, developers, and AI models. The new facility will enhance high-performance computing and reduce latency for Indian users too, which is great news if you're into app dev or machine learning. Basically, better speed, more scalability, and smoother global deployment. But of course, competition is heating up with Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud all expanding aggressively. Impact. If you're building apps or AI projects, your cloud performance just got an upgrade. Faster uploads, quicker analytics, smoother pipelines. Next up, a slightly concerning one for Pixel users. So apparently, during a Microsoft Teams call, a phone unlocking firm demonstrated a live exploit that gave real-time access to Google Pixel devices. That's right, screenshots of the hack leaked online, and this raised huge concerns about mobile security. While Google's already rolling out patches, this shows one thing clearly. No phone is 100% secure. For developers, always keep your app permissions tight and update your devices regularly. Impact. Companies are now under pressure to release faster patches, so we might soon see better Android security policies overall. Next up, let's talk web development and Apple's latest shakeup. Apple just rolled out iOS 18.6. And it's a game changer, especially for EU developers. Now devs can distribute apps directly from the web, not just Apple's App Store, That means more flexibility, more independence, and possibly fewer fees. For indie developers and small app publishers, this is freedom. You can reach users directly, without middlemen. But yes, new flexibility also means more compliance headaches and security checks. Impact. This update could reshape the app market for both Apple and Android. It's a massive step toward open ecosystems. Next, Python developers. You're gonna love this one. Python is booming again in web dev, with 46% of developers now using it, up from 42% last year. The main hero here? FastAPI. It's fast, modern, and extremely friendly for API builders and data science projects. More devs are using it to bridge AI models with web apps. Impact. Students and coders can easily jump into web dev and even connect AI features without heavy frameworks. So yeah, if you're still stuck with Django, maybe give FastAPI a try. It's like Python got a Formula 1 upgrade. Next, let's talk startups doing mind-blowing stuff. A group of ex-Tesla engineers have launched IndustrialMind.ai, raising $1.2 million in pre-seed funding. Their platform uses AI to automate factory processes, from design to production. Basically, it's like ChatGPT, but for industrial manufacturing. Impact. This could transform how factories operate, cutting waste, boosting productivity, and creating smarter AI-managed workflows. Next, we have got a big Indian biotech story. Hyderabad-based Helex has raised $3.5 million to push forward gene editing therapies, specifically for kidney diseases. They are working on advanced CRISPR technologies, so yes, we are talking futuristic biotech happening right here in India. Impact. This funding doesn't just boost Helex, it positions India as a serious biotech innovator. Before we move to tools, quick reminder. Hey guys, if you're enjoying Tech Pulse episode 12, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to bring you more daily stories like this every single day on Learn New Things. Alright, let's continue, because the next updates are super useful for devs and IT pros. The October 2025 SDK update is out, and it's bringing expanded support for macOS 26.0 beta, Oracle Linux 10.0, and improved SQL Express 2022 patches. This means smoother patch management, real-time Mac monitoring, and even installer verification built right in. Impact. IT admins and DevOps teams can manage apps more efficiently, spot vulnerabilities faster, and improve workflows with fewer crashes. Android's SDK platform also got a fresh update. It improves ADT plugins, rendering libraries, and the layout editor. Perfect for app devs working on UI and UX improvements. Impact. Better stability, smoother debugging, and faster app previews, which means fewer headaches while coding. This one's gold for students. From October 10th to 31st, Databricks hosted a virtual learning festival, packed with AI, ML, and data engineering courses. And here's the cool part. Completing any course gives you 50% off certification and 20% off annual subscriptions. Impact. It's literally a golden ticket for students and developers to upskill in data and AI without spending big. Microsoft also released new training material for DP600, the Implementing Analytics Solutions exam. It includes new hands-on labs and reflects current 2025 skill standards. Impact. Perfect for anyone aiming to get certified in enterprise data analytics or semantic modeling. Super valuable for data jobs. If you're a student in India, listen up. Today, October 31st, is the last date to apply for AICTE's Swanath, Saksham, and Pragati scholarships. These help students from challenging backgrounds, differently abled students, and girls in technical degrees. They cover tuition, living costs, and even laptops. Impact. If eligible, this could literally take a huge financial load off your education journey. And finally, the National Scholarship Portal has made one-time registration, OTR, mandatory for all government scholarships. This means one ID, lifetime use. No more reapplying from scratch every year. Impact. Faster, safer, and easier process for students across India. And that's it for today's Tech Pulse episode 12, packed with AI, startups, tools, and scholarships that can actually change your game.
From Reliance and Google's AI alliance to Apple's app revolution and even Databricks giving learning discounts. The tech world's moving fast and we are right here catching it all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and share it with your tech buddies because tomorrow's episode will be even crazier. Until then, this is Learn New Things signing off. Stay curious, stay creative, and as always, keep learning new things.